Soil compaction totally kills your plants by squeezing out the space roots need to grow and breathe. You gotta aerate your soil regularly, like at least once a year, to keep it loose and happy. Avoid walking all over wet soil because that just squashes it down even more, making it harder for roots to spread. Try using mulch around your plants to protect the soil from getting compacted by rain or foot traffic. If you notice water pooling on the surface, that's a sign your soil is too tight and needs some aeration. Use a garden fork or an aeration tool to poke holes and let air and water reach the roots better. Don't just aerate randomly. Focus on spots where you see stressed plants or really hard soil. Also, keep heavy machinery or equipment off your garden beds to prevent crushing the soil. Remember, healthy roots mean healthier plants, so don't skip this step. One of the biggest mistakes people make with soil compaction is ignoring it until plants start looking sad and stunted. Fix this by checking soil firmness regularly. Another common issue is walking on the garden when it's wet, which packs the soil down even more. Wait until it dries out before stepping in. The third problem is not adding organic matter. Without compost or mulch, soil loses structure and compacts easier. So add plenty of organic stuff to keep it fluffy and full of life. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about soil and landscaping. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to find more clients and grow your business without the headache.